Yes, I've got that for you. Plus, people are probably wondering, how strong do these winds actually get? So I've got a few peak gusts to pass along to you at Magic Mountain Truck Trail. We got gusts up to 85 miles per hour. Strong winds across the area. Arrowhead Springs got up to 76 miles per hour. In Pacoima up to 70. Fontana 64. And in Camarillo, near where the mountain fire is burning, we got wind speeds up to about 40 miles per hour. So let's take a look at the conditions for the rest of today. We're going to continue to see those strong winds, especially this morning, and that fire danger will continue. It's not until we get into this afternoon when those winds will gradually weaken and we'll have some much better conditions into the weekend. Still dry and slightly warmer, but at least we'll have some relief when it comes to the winds. I'll take you back to the fire forecast for Camarillo near the mountain fire because conditions out there right now are starting to pick up. We're starting to see the winds increase, and I'm looking at gusts potentially up to 40 miles per hour around 9 a.m. with low humidity around noon, gusts up to 32 miles per hour. So weakening just a tad, but the humidity dropping even more with temperatures warming. And then look at 4 p.m. winds at that point from 5 to 10 miles per hour. Not gusting, much calmer compared to what we're going to have this morning. I want to take a look at the winds for everyone because, as I mentioned, we're not out of the woods just yet. We've got some strong conditions expected this morning. This map is showing those northeasterly winds blowing over the LA, Ventura County mountains all the way out towards the coast. That wind tunnel in the Inland Empire, winds all the way over into Orange County. And then here we are looking at the weather this afternoon. You notice how we have this map. It becomes calmer, and then into this evening, into tomorrow, some much calmer conditions will be shaping up. Other than that, I'm tracking some cold temperatures this morning for our friends in the deserts. Everywhere else, you got to bundle up. And then this afternoon, we're going to have sunshine and highs in the 70s. We got to get through today. The winds will be much calmer as we head into the weekend. The temperatures warming just slightly. Early next week, there's a system I'm tracking that could bring us some moisture. We're still several days away. For right now, it looks like we are going to see a cool down at the beginning of next week. The valleys in Inland Empire will have low to mid 70s, and then we'll have mid to upper 70s as we head into the weekend. Much calmer conditions. And unfortunately, I'm not seeing any huge storms that are going to bring us any significant moisture, so our vegetation just continues to dry out. The high desert 60s today, 70s through this weekend. The low desert 70s today, 80s for Saturday and Sunday. And finally in the mountains, a windy day. It's going to feel blustery. Temperatures in the 50s through next week. That's your forecast. Now to Robin. What's happening in traffic?